Huawei has introduced a rather unsettling plush toy that incorporates artificial intelligence. It's called Smart Hanah and was unveiled by Richard Yu during the launch of the Mate 80 series. It is priced at 399 yuan, which is approximately $56. However, don't let its toy-like look deceive you. Inside it contains a mini version of the Huawei Ascent 310 artificial intelligence chip, enabling it to process emotions locally without needing to depend on the cloud. This plush toy is not just a simple toy, it has the ability to engage in conversations with you and can even recall past discussions you've had with it. Its eyes appear to be screens, and through these screens, it can display a range of emotions. Although the toy itself doesn't physically move, those expressive eyes can give you the impression that it's making facial expressions. Imagine one day you mention that you miss your family, and then a few days later it asks you, have you called your mom yet? You mentioned before that you wanted to talk to her. This intriguing plush toy can recognize a total of 12 different emotions and possesses long-term memory capabilities. Furthermore, with Harmony OS 5.1's official advanced features, it offers Kids Mode, which synchronizes school schedules to help prevent children from getting distracted at inappropriate times. Additionally, it features Senior Mode for the elderly, which can understand various Chinese dialects, allowing it to engage in conversations across all language variants and provide important reminders for taking medication. Interestingly, it sold out just seconds after going on sale, indicating Huawei's ability to persuade its users about this product. However, it's currently launched only in China, and it's uncertain if the global market is ready for such a product. Would you be interested in a plush companion that can also recognize your feelings? Let me know. Would you consider buying such a pet? Share your thoughts in the comments.